Most people get this wrong when trying to redeem long game coins. They collect coins for weeks, open the app, and then can't figure out where to use them or what their coins are actually worth. Here's the truth no one tells you. Redeeming coins on long game is usually simple, but many users miss important steps that can delay or limit their reward options. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to redeem long game coins in 2026, what to check before redeeming, and the common mistakes you should avoid. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Long Game app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for your coin balance. This shows how many coins you've accumulated through eligible activities and participation within the app. Next, navigate to the Rewards, Redemption, or Prizes section. The exact layout may change as the app updates, but most reward-based apps keep redemption options in a dedicated area that displays available rewards and coin requirements. This is where most people fail. They try redeeming rewards without checking whether they meet the eligibility requirements. Some rewards may require a minimum coin balance, account verification, or specific participation criteria before redemption becomes available. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all rewards provide the same value. Before redeeming your coins, compare the available options carefully. Sometimes saving coins for a higher value reward may provide better overall value than redeeming them immediately for a smaller option. For example, Jake earns enough coins for a small reward and redeems them right away. Alex waits a little longer, accumulates more coins, and unlocks a reward that offers greater value. Taking a moment to compare options can make a difference. But here's the problem. Many users assume rewards appear instantly after redemption. Depending on the reward type, processing times can vary. Some rewards may be delivered quickly, while others can require additional verification or processing before completion. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid redemption issues. Before that, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes cause display errors, missing reward options, or redemption problems. The easiest way to avoid issues is to review all reward details before confirming. Check the coin requirement, eligibility conditions, and any instructions provided within the app. This simple step prevents most redemption mistakes. Let's quickly recap. Open the Long Game app and verify your coin balance. Go to the Rewards or Redemption section. Review available rewards carefully. Confirm you meet all requirements. Choose your reward and complete the redemption process. Then allow time for processing if needed. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to redeem your long game coins with confidence in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and reward platform guides, and leave a comment below with your favorite long game reward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.